Today's Sunday. Today was a rainy weather and a sunny day. And I got baptized today. And I wanted to tell you why I got baptized. I wanted to get baptized because I wanted to give Jesus my life. And I love Jesus, so I did it. Let's go to the tape. Whoop. Congratulations to Faith, who also got
upon your confession of faith in Jesus Christ, we now baptize you in His name. Hold your nose. Good. We now baptize you in the name of the Father, Son, and Holy Spirit.
And I was a little nervous, but I was ready to do it. I was nervous, but I did it anyway.
Yes! Jay will handle this.
Hold on, baby. Hold on, baby.
I love Jesus. He's my favorite. And I wanted to do it because I wanted to follow what Jesus does.
Based on your confession of faith, we baptize you in the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit.
It was wet, and it was cold.
Okay, we got.
Congratulations to Mouse and Alina.
Tell everybody. Officially, it's good. Good. Okay. Well, based on your confession of faith, we baptize you in the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Tell the people why you
All right, Mama.
God's my favorite, so I wanted to do it. And everybody's proud of me. So that's what I did for Jesus. Jesus, I hope you enjoyed watching. I did it for God. So you might want to know what God did for you. God loved the world so much He gave us Holy Son, that if you just believe in Him, you will not perish, and you'll have eternal life.